So in this video we are going to learn how you can create a Next.js application. So as per the recent updates, React.js is now officially recognized as React.dev on the internet, as well as instead of using create React app, that is CRA, which was the most popular method for creating React applications, it now recommends using create next app, Gatsby or remix or some other method in order to create your React application. So we will be going with the most popular method, that is create next app, which is used to create Next.js application and is used widely in the community. So to begin with, go to Visual Studio Code and select the folder where you want to create the project. For example, I have already created a folder, that is Udemy React.js Next.js course. Here I will be collecting all the projects, and in the end of this course and in between you can access these projects and their code in order to verify my work with your work to see if you are facing any issues. So let's create a new Next.js application by using npx create next app space the project name. For us it would be real time group chat. It would ask you to install the dependency, that is create next app, and just click on yes. We want to use TypeScript? No, in this case we will not be installing TypeScript. Do you like to use ESLint? We will be disabling it for now for simplicity. Do you like to use src directory with this project? And yes, we will be using src directory. Would you like to use experimental app directory with this project? And we will not be using app directory with the experimental features. So select no. What import alias would you like to use? We will select the default @ and we can change it later. So our project has been successfully created. Now let's clear our console. Get inside the project folder, clear it and run yarn or npm install. We can go with npm install in order to install all the dependencies which are already installed, but let's run it for the safety purpose. Start your project with npm run dev in order to start the development server. So our project is running successfully. Now let's confirm if the project is running on the browser. So our project is up and running at localhost port 3000, and you can see the project is running fine. Let's go with the next step, that is to create the project structure and set up our code structure in order to create the project. See you in the next lecture.